Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Gunner's World. I'm here to talk to you today about decisions. I'm here to amplify the fact that we have decisions. We can make our own decisions, right? So it's recently come across that I could do loads of different things, you know, with loads of different people, and each person is pulling me in a different direction. But the fact still remains, I decide. And it's only until today that I've really realised that I actually decide my own decisions. I can say no to some people, even though it may hurt them a little bit. I can say no to their plans. I can say no to what they're doing, because at the end of the day, it's my life and I can do whatever I want. And that's the same with you guys. You can do whatever you want. So understand that a famous person once said to me, always say no to things straight away. And then you can decide what to do afterwards. So like, you can decide whether to do or not, whether it actually helps you. You don't have to say yes straight away. You can say, no, I'll think about it. And that actually lets you believe and makes you like understand that if it's something you really want to do or if it isn't. So there's a quick message from me. So decisions, you can do whatever you want to do. You know, you can literally decide you're gonna, I don't know, go on a hike today. So you go on a hike. Why? Because it's your decision and you can do whatever you want to do. So that's what I'm trying to empower you to say. You can do whatever you want to do. So please like, comment and subscribe. See if you liked it. Thank you guys so much. Peace out.